This dance is called Come Dance With Me Tonight. It's a 36 count, 4 wall, improve a level line dance with 2 restarts. Starting on the right foot, you step the right to the side, step the left beside the right, shuffle forward on that right, right close right. Step the left to the side, right beside left, shuffle forward on the left, left close left. That set of steps once more then. Cyclo shuffle on the right. 7, 8, side, close, right shuffle, side, close, left shuffle. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on that left, and out on a right-footed coaster step, step in the right back, left beside right, step in the right forward. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right, chassé to the left, but we're going to put a quarter turn left on to start with, so that quarter turn, close, side. That set of steps once more then, forward rock on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, turn chassé. Let's add that to the top. Cyclo shuffle off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, right shuffle, side, close, left shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, turn chassé. Now this next section has got quite a few and counts in it. So you're going to cross the right over the left, step the left to the side, cross the right behind the left, and the and count you're going to bring the left beside the right, then touch the right heel forward on the diagonal, then step the right back beside the left. You're then going to repeat that with the left foot. So you're going to cross the left over the right, step the right to the side, cross that left behind the right, step the right beside the left, touch that left heel forward on the diagonal, then bring that left back beside the right. Off on that right. 7, 8, cross, side, behind and heel and cross, side, behind and heel and. Let's add that to the top. Cyclo shuffle off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, right shuffle, side, close, left shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, turn chassé, cross, side, behind and heel and cross, side, behind and heel and. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on that left, shuffle yourself half a turn over your right shoulder, quarter, close, quarter. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right, shuffle yourself another half a turn over your left shoulder, quarter, close, quarter. That set of steps once more. Forward rock on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle. Now although those are both only half a turn each, in the next section that we're yet to put on, you've got a further quarter of a turn to the left, which basically means you'll end up doing a 3/4 of a turn right at the end of that section. Now if we try and take that 3/4 out, that'll give me a quarter, 3/4 going to the right. So if you need to try and adjust that final 3/4, probably make your mind up once you've done the next section. You can adjust this section and then do the next section as it is. So if you need to change it, rock forward on the right, recover, shuffle back on the right instead of doing that half shuffle, then rock back on the left, recover, shuffle forward on the left. So it will take out any possibility of having to do 3/4 of a turn. So non-turning steps, should you need them. So let's add that to the top. Cyclo shuffle off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, right shuffle, side, close, left shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, turn chasse, cross, side, behind and heel and cross, side, behind and heel and forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle. So your final little section, you're going to step forward on the right, pivot yourself quarter turn to the left, cross the right over the left, step back on that left. Then you're ready to start the dance again. So that set of steps once more, it's only 4 of them. Step, pivot off on the right. 7, 8. Step, pivot, cross, back. Let's add that to the top. Side close shuffle on the right. 7, 8. Side, close, right shuffle, side, close, left shuffle. Forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, turn chasse, cross, side, behind and heel and cross, side, behind and heel and forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross, back. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Side close shuffle off on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of a feel for the timing of the dance. Now, those astute enough will notice we are facing the back wall at the end of this dance, and I did say it was a 4-wall dance. It is. Once you do a restart, you will swap to the side walls. So for starters, we're going to do the back wall. Keep going when we get back to the front, so you can see how the front and back wall join together, and then we'll have a go at the side walls. So here we go, back wall, off on that right, side close shuffle. 7, 8, side, close, right shuffle, side, close, left shuffle. Forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, turn chasse, cross, side, behind and heel and cross, side, behind and heel and forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross, back, side, close, right shuffle, side, close, left shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, turn chasse, cross, side, behind and heel and cross, side, behind and heel and forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross, back. Okay, let's do the side walls. We'll start with a 9 o'clock wall. Keep going when we face 3 o'clock. Off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, right shuffle, side, close, left shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, turn chasse, cross, side, behind and heel and cross, side, behind and heel and forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross, back, side, close, right shuffle, side, close, left shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, turn chasse, cross, side, behind and heel and cross, side, behind and heel and forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross, back. So that's your dance. Now there are 2 restarts in the dance. So they come at exactly the same places, which is 32 counts in. So you basically do your forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle. You don't do that last 4 counts of the dance. So because you're not doing that further quarter of a turn, you'll end up facing the next set of walls. So it comes on walls 5 and 11. So wall 5 is our 12 o'clock wall, wall 11 will be your 3 o'clock wall. When you restart on wall 11, it'll take you back to doing the front and the back walls. So let's have a go at wall 5. 32 counts, restart so you can see how it joins onto the side walls. Side close shuffle off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, right shuffle, side, close, left shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, turn chassé, cross, side, behind and heel and cross, side, behind and heel and forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, restart, side, close, right shuffle, side, close, left shuffle. So you can see how we've now swapped the walls. So that is it. That is your dance, your walkthrough and your restart information. Walls 5 and 11. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Side close, right shuffle. Side close, left shuffle. Forward rock, coaster step. Forward rock, turn chassé. Cross side, behind and heel and cross side, behind and heel and forward rock. Half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle. Step, pivot, cross back. Side close, right shuffle. Side close, left shuffle. Forward rock, coaster step. Forward rock, turn chassé. Cross side, behind and heel and cross side, behind and heel and forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross, back, side close, forward rock, cross side, forward rock, pivots, side close, forward rock, cross side, forward rock, pivots. Should we start wall? Restart, side close shuffle. Forward rock coaster. Cross side. Forward rock half shuffles. Pivots. Side close shuffle. Forward rock coaster. Cross sides. Forward rock half shuffle. Pivots. Restart wall. Restart, side close shuffle. Hope you managed that one.